Deep in the forest, Bear lay under a shady tree, yawning and dozing. While other animals gathered food and prepared for the coming winter, Bear scoffed, saying, "Why work when the forest provides everything? I'll just relax." Meanwhile, Ant worked tirelessly, collecting food and storing it in her underground home. She passed by Bear and politely warned, "Winter will come sooner than you think. You should start preparing." Bear laughed, "Don't worry about me. I'll find food whenever I want." Soon, the forest was blanketed in snow. The trees were bare, and the streams were frozen. Bear woke up hungry, only to find the forest empty of food. Shivering and grumbling, he thought, "I didn't expect winter to be this harsh." Bear wandered through the forest, searching for something to eat but found nothing. Hunger drove Bear to swallow his pride and seek Ant's help. He trudged to her home and knocked softly. "Ant, I was wrong. I didn't prepare for winter, and now I'm starving. Can you please spare some food?" Ant looked at Bear kindly and said, "I'll help you, but you must promise to change your ways." Bear nodded earnestly, "I will." With Ant's help, Bear survived the winter, but he felt ashamed of his laziness. He decided to change. When spring arrived, Bear began to collect food and prepare for the next winter. He worked alongside Ant and realized the satisfaction of hard work. "You were right, and preparing feels so much better than worrying." Ant smiled and said, "A little effort today can save a lot of trouble tomorrow." By the time winter arrived again, Bear had a cozy den full of food. He also formed a deep friendship with Ant, who visited him often to share stories and laughter. Bear's change inspired other animals in the forest, proving that it's never too late to learn and grow. Moral of the story: hard work and preparation lead to a secure and happy future, and it's never too late to change for the better.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.